Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. Yesterday's video, we said, can the stock market save Bitcoin from a bigger drop? Not very many views. Where are you guys at? 6,200 views. Watch this pivot. So this is pretty crazy to see this. Over time, the reason why we've been so successful as a trading group, as a channel, is because we've continued to expand our skill set and knowledge base. Subscribe to the channel right now. Smash the subscribe button. Like the channel. Tell your friends about us. Yesterday's video, we talked about decision point right here, right after we nailed this idea in the group. So the decision point was what? The SPX, the stock market. Can the stock market bounce and save Bitcoin from a bigger drop? And guess what happened? I'm up early this morning waiting on S&P 500 first. Come down here and I watched Japan closed positive. Hong Kong up a little bit. Germany, France up a little bit. So basically most global markets in the green. Good start for the world. The economies are tied together to some extent. And you see that the S&P 500 is in the green. SPX bounced. SPX broke out of this ascending triangle. We talked about this exact idea yesterday. Banging. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, huge move to the upside. Moved from about 37,000 to 38,500. Huge move on the 1 hour time frame, right? Now, what needs to happen next for Bitcoin bulls to continue higher? We'll get back to that in a second. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person started out in the group with $7,000 and now they've got $100,000. This happened in less than 6 months. I mean, what is that, 10, 12x? Huge. And they're a full-time worker, have a job, working full-time. This person threw $3,000 at the market, basically lost it all, didn't know what he's doing, came back, started out last January with $1,800. Now he's at $20,000. Family, full-time job. Most of the traders in this group are family workers with jobs, right? This person started out with $30,000. He made a shirt, said rounded bottoms pay the bills. He started out with $30,000. Now he's at $130,000. Huge. Trying to get to $1 million. Banging. If you are not making a ton of money right now in this market, I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. Pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We've been trading these short setups a lot. This is XRP short that was posted up 21%. We had 148% banger posted out of FTM3X short. So we've taken this market, we're trading both ways now too. So it's been epic. Bitcoin, what needs to happen here? So you see that the price action hit this level and got rejected. Hit this level, got rejected. Now, so this is a ceiling. This is a ceiling. Now, the Bitcoin bulls need to retest and push higher for continued upside. I mean, you've got measured move targets up in the $40,000 range here if Bitcoin can hold this level. So do not want to see a bull trap. You want to see this bounce and continue higher. This is a cleaned up 2 hour chart. We talked about the sellers were here. The sellers were here. Well, this hasn't happened where you close a 2 hour candle above this level and still holding, right? So bulls, we've stated multiple times, the bulls need this higher high up in here for upside continuation. So pretty amazing to see stocks play out. We have a clear edge in this market if you're watching what these stocks, however the stocks are going to open, Bitcoin's been following it pretty regularly, right? You can definitely be very consistent short-term trader with, some low leverage. They have these low leverage tokens on Kucoins. They're easy to trade. They're like 3x leverage, nothing crazy. Can't get liquidated. Obviously, you can lose a ton of money, but you make an enormous amount of money based on a small move out of Bitcoin. So we've been trading a lot of those. You have to adjust to what the market's giving us. Now, Bitcoin dominance. We want to see this thing dump. Now, there's definitely room for another move higher, and that wouldn't be good for the altcoins. But when this dumps, I'm looking for altcoin movement, money flow into the altcoins more than Bitcoin. So Ethereum, I posted this setup earlier. Ethereum looks super strong here. Ethereum broke out of this similar pattern to Bitcoin, ascending triangle, 64% chance breaks out to the upside. Now, if it comes down here and retests, you could see $3,000 Ethereum based on this idea, as long as Bitcoin holds on. The funding rates. So the green means there were a lot more shorts earlier today, right? But there's a ton of shorts, so it wouldn't be surprising. Like Luna's getting heavily shorted. You can see sand. Everybody's shorting sand right now. FTM, everybody's shorting FTM. AXS being heavily shorted. Mana shorted. And so you have to wonder, short squeeze is when essentially the price of Bitcoin gets pumped, or these altcoins get pumped, and they follow Bitcoin. And then shorts are forced to buy open longs in order to cover, and you get these massive pumps. So you wonder if there's going to be some type of short squeeze this week, because these altcoins have been completely destroyed, wrecked, and everybody's still short. And so this market likes to take the most amount of money from the most amount of people. Banging. So will we see a short squeeze and a quick run up for the altcoins and Bitcoin this week? This is DYP, DeFi Yield Protocol, and it's listed on a number of exchanges, including Kucoin. But I want to talk to you about it because I really think this is undervalued. The market cap is tiny, $4.5 million. The circulating supply over here is 19.5 million DYP. Okay, so follow me here. If you go over here and you check their homepage, maximize your yield farming rewards, DeFi protocol. What is DeFi yield? What is DYP? So it's a unique platform, offers solutions for yield farming, staking, NFTs, and allows you to leverage the advanced trading tools of DYP. If you go to their payouts up here, and this is data provided by Chainlink, she says that over 9,000 Ethereum have been paid out, 9,900 BNB, 25,000 AVAX. It's about $30 million worth of rewards being paid out to liquidity providers. If you got 17 million DYP tokens, they've been essentially distributing pool rewards over what the actual value of this coin is. If the market cap is 4.5 million and they're paying out $30 million, then obviously it makes sense to earn some of their annual percentage yield. Look, their liquidity pools, you're earning up to 650% APY. Total value locked right now is 7 million. They've got about 23,500 users. Got a coin, market cap is 4.5 million, but they're paying out $30 million in rewards. Undervalued. Now, I'm a chart guy. Let's go look at the charts and see what's happening here. To be realistic, you have to understand that you have this support level down here where previously DYP hit this bottom and put in a higher low, had some pretty epic upside that we traded. And now it's obviously gotten devastated like all the altcoins, right? All the altcoins. Now it has lost its support level, so the bulls have some work to do to regain this and break out. And I'm not saying all in on DYP. I'm just saying when Bitcoin turns around, if the shorts get squeezed, Bitcoin continues higher, Ethereum continues higher, then DYP has some upside as soon as it breaks its resistance level. Also, one important thing, if you see down here, DYP was massively oversold. Right here, it didn't even get to oversold. So massively oversold, and you got this bounce. Oversold and this can happen for a period of time. Doesn't mean it's going to moon today, right? And then oversold, bounce. It's oversold right now. Here we are, oversold, but it's got this, the resistance is right here. So it needs to break out above this resistance level. So pay attention to DYP. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.